Welcome to the English Learning Booster. Today is not a lecture. It's not a lesson. It's a workout. Most people study English, but they never train English. That's why you get stuck. That's why you forget words. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to push your cognitive limits. We're going to sweat through vocabulary sprints, lift heavy grammar weights, and finish with a high-intensity shadowing session. If you're just looking for background noise, turn this off. But if you're ready to boost your brain and finally feel fluent, grab your water, grab your notebook, and let's get into the first set. Oh, and before we start, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss your weekly training. Set 1. Vocabulary sprints. Set number 1. Rapid recall. Your brain needs to stop translating and start reacting. I'm going to give you a category. You have 30 seconds to say out loud yes, out loud, 10 words that fit. Category 1, the office. Go. Faster. Think of stapler, deadlines, colleagues, promotion. Keep going. Time. Now, we're increasing the resistance. Same category, but you can only use verbs. What do you do in an office? You collaborate, you delegate, you present. Give me 5 more? Go. Set 2. The Lego method. Good. Heart rate is up. Now, let's build some structural strength. We're using the root word method. Look at the root VOC or VOK. It comes from Latin meaning to call or voice. Vocal, using your voice. Advocate, to give your voice to a cause. Provoke, to call forth a reaction. I'm putting a list of words on the screen. I want you to pause the video for 3 minutes. Study these words and try to find the hidden voice in each one. Don't just read them, internalize them. See you in 3 minutes. Set 3. Contextual weightlifting. Strength is useless without form. In this set, we are transforming weak English into power English. Imagine you're in a meeting. You want to say, "I think this plan is good." That's a level 1 sentence. It's light. It has no impact. Let's lift some heavier weight. Try. "I believe this proposal is exceptionally viable." Hear the difference? Viable carries more weight than good. It shows you understand the business context. Now, your turn. I'm going to give you 3 weak sentences. You have 5 minutes to rewrite them in your journal using the power words we've covered. Make them heavy. Make them professional. Set 4. The Shadowing Marathon Final Set. This is the endurance test. It's called shadowing. I am going to read a short story at a natural, native speed. Your job is to speak with me, not after me with me. Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on my music. Focus on where I stop for air, where my voice goes up, and how I blend words together. Round 1, just listen. Round 2, shadow me. Let's go. The cool down and post-workout mission. Workout complete. Take a deep breath. Your brain might feel a little tired, maybe even a bit foggy. That is the feeling of growth. You've done more for your English in the last 10 minutes than most people do in a month. But here is the catch. Muscles fade if you don't use them. Your mission today is to take one root word and one power phrase from this session and use them in the comments below. I want to see your heavy lifting. If you finished this 10-minute workout, you are part of the top 1%. Subscribe to Stay in the Gym, hit the like button if you felt the boost, and I'll see you next week for your next session. Stay consistent. Stay boosted. Bye for now.